Hello friends, welcome again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox my new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's get started. So this is 256 GB variant and the color is midnight green. I'll just open it. So here you can see, I'll just open it and here comes my phone. Yes. So this is it. I'll see it later. Before that, I'll see what all things are there in this box. So these are few instructions and SIM ejector, and as usual couple of Apple logos. I'll see it later. This is earpods and with this connector basically, so it doesn't have 3.5 audio jack as like previous versions. In previous versions also it was like same only from iPhone 7 onwards actually. And this is charging cable, and this is power adapter. So that's all in the box. I'll just open the phone. Yeah, I am going to switch it on now. Or before that, I'll just show you the buttons. So this seems to be power button. This is place for SIM card, two speakers, charging point, volume button for up and down, and this is basically to change the mode of phone, make it silent or ring. Now I'm switching it on. So I'll complete the setup and start the video again. So setup is complete friends. Now I'll just put my SIM. So I'll use SIM ejector. So this is how SIM tray looks. There is only one slot for a SIM. It is dual SIM, but one SIM can be eSIM basically. So only in India only Airtel and Jio supports eSIM. I have got Vodafone SIM. I'm just putting it in and it should detect. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see it is detecting. Yeah, it detected. That's all in this video friends. I'll create one more video for the review, and maybe after using it for a couple of weeks. So that's all in this video. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.